Hi friends, myself Deepak Veera, Mechanical Department from Sedu Institute of Technology. In this video, I am going to present about temperature sensor and its applications and the advantages, disadvantages. Let me get into the brief overview of this topic. First one, types of temperature sensors. Second one, sensor applications. Third one, advantages and disadvantages of temperature sensor. Types of temperature sensor: thermocouples, resistance, temperature detectors, thermistors, infrared sensor, semiconductors. These are the types of temperature sensors. Let me explain about thermocouples. In this setup, there are two wires which are metal alloys. Main function of the sensor will convert thermal energy into electrical energy, as we know that it is thermocouples. To achieve this, they should maintain temperature difference between the junctions. The junctions are measuring junction and the reference junction. Its advantage is easy to use and easy to obtain these results. Next, application of thermocouples: plastic junction molding machinery, food processing equipment, semiconductor processing, heat treating, medical equipment, industrial heat treating, packaging equipment. Advantages of thermocouple: simple, rugged, high temperature operation, low cost, no resistant lead wire problems, point temperature sensing, fastest response to temperature changing. And disadvantages of thermocouples: least stable, least repeatable, low sensitivity to small temperature changes, extension wire must be of the same thermocouple type, wire may pick up radiated electrical noise if not shielded, lowest accuracy. These are the disadvantages of thermocouples. Next, thermistors. Let me explain about thermistors. Thermistors are semiconductors which is used as a temperature sensor. It is composition of mixture of metal oxides made by mold which is pressed into a bed, wafer or other shapes. The bed shape used should be very small and the size is less than 1 mm. This thermistor senses the temperature. If the temperature increase, then the resistance will be decrease. This is known as negative temperature coefficient. Next, application of thermistors. Most are seen in the medical equipment market. Thermistors are also used for the engine, coolant, oil and air temperature measurement in the transportation industry. These are the application of thermistors. And advantages of thermistors: high sensitivity to small temperature change, temperature measurements become more stable with use, copper or nickel extension wire can be used. And disadvantages of thermistors: limited temperature range, fragile, some initial accuracy, decalibration if used beyond the sensors, temperature rating, lack of standard for replacement. These are the disadvantages of thermistors. Next, semiconductors. Let me explain about semiconductors. Semiconductors are small and sensitive to temperature because it have voltage current characteristics. When compared to thermocouples and thermistors, semiconductors are accurate and inexpensive, but temperature measurement range are smaller than them. Next, application of semiconductors: hard disk drives, personal computers, electronic test equipment, office equipments, domestic appliance, process control, cellular phones. These are the application of semiconductors. These are the temperature sensors. Thank you friends watching this video.